If you have only $150, but you want to make $5,000, $10,000 or even $20,000 out of it, it is real. And let me show you how you can do it quickly and most importantly safely. To begin with, I want to give you a free promo code which will increase your deposit by as much as 50%. And instead of $150, you can get on your balance as much as $225. You can find the promo code in the BoosterBot Telegram channel. The link to it will be in the description. You enter this promo code when depositing and get a nice bonus. The link will also be in the attached comment. The very first thing you need to do after activating BoosterBot, because it is the one you will have to work with for a quick start, you need to choose currency pairs so that you have them all at hand, and choose currency pairs that payout is more than 70%. For example, the Australian dollar, the Swiss franc I will not analyze, but all the other currency pairs suit me very well. This is necessary in order to earn very quickly on these currency pairs. They have the highest volatility, so let's open a deal immediately, for example on the Australian Canadian dollar. I will open a deal for about 50%. I choose the Australian Canadian dollar. The expiry time is 1 minute. I get the buy signal and I open a buy trade right away. Great, the first trade brings me a plus, and the next trade I will open for $120, but I will choose this time the currency pair Euro Australian dollar. I get a new signal, I choose this currency pair, and the expiry time is also 1 minute. I get a buy signal and immediately open a buy trade. Risky, but positive trade brings me profit. The next trade I will open already for $250. Again on the Euro Australian dollar. I get a new signal. I again choose this currency pair. The time for the trade 1 minute. I get a signal to buy and immediately open a trade again to buy. Great deal brings me $220, and as you can see I already have as much as $500 on my balance. Respectively, the next deal I can open safely on $400, and again on the Euro Australian dollar. If you have found a currency pair that has a good movement and a good payout, it is better to stop on this currency pair and get some signals on it. Again, I get a buy signal and immediately open my trade on the upside. Here you can observe a good correction, after which you should expect the price to continue to rise. Great deal brings me a great profit of $350, and almost 6 times I have increased my deposit. Respectively, I can open a deal for as much as $800. Just change the currency pair to the euro dollar. I get a sell signal and immediately open a sell trade. When you work with the BoosterBot, you need to understand that you need to open a trade as soon as you get a signal. You have literally 10 seconds of time to decide whether you open a trade or not. Otherwise, your signal will no longer be valid. Another great deal brings as much as $700. I have increased my deposit 10 times and can safely open a deal for $1,200, again on the euro dollar pair. I get a sell signal again and open a sell trade again. As you can see, there is a good downward movement here on this currency pair, and after the price has gone into this whole correction, you can expect a downtrend to update these lows. Great, as much as $1,100 on this trade. As you can see, already $2,700 on my balance, and you cannot stop there. You can go further and open your deal for $1,500, and you will have $1,200 more on your balance. So euro dollar, I choose this currency pair again. I get a sell signal again. This currency falls and I make money on it. Just look at these results. $1,400 from such an easy, beautiful trade. The price is very predictable precisely because there are very large volumes, and BoosterBot analyzes it all perfectly. It sees all the volumes, all the magnetic prices, what level the price will come to, and where it will get a price reversal. That is why I will not stop at this result, and the next trade will be open for as much as $2,000 on the dollar Canadian dollar currency pair. I choose it in BoosterBot and the expiry time is also 1 minute. I get a buy signal, and I open my buy trade right from here. Great, one more plus deal and I already have 5,600 on my balance. The next deal can be opened safely for $2,500 and I do not risk even half of my balance. I choose the Euro Australian dollar and get a buy signal. A very risky deal closes at the last moment and brings me a good profit. I already have 7,500 on my balance. I will open the next deal for $3,000 again on the Euro Australian dollar. Again I get a buy signal and open a buy trade. And again at the last moment this currency pair brings me a plus. Very risky, so I will change the currency pair to the Australian dollar Swiss franc. And again I will open my trade for $3,000. Again a buy signal and immediately I open my buy trade. A great move brings me $2,700 and as you can see I've already increased my deposit almost 10 times. Again I open a deal on this currency pair. I get a buy signal and immediately open my buy trade. A good trade brings me a good profit. I open the next trade again on the same currency pair. Again I get a buy signal and open a buy trade right from here. A good trade brings me a great profit. Now I move to the euro-dollar currency pair. I get a new signal. I get a buy signal again and immediately open my buy trade. A nice calm trade brings me a profit of $2,700 and as you can see from just $150 I earned $20,000. Thus I proved that even with $150 in your pocket, you can make a great profit on trading with the help of a booster bot. You can find the link to this bot in the description. It is available to every beginner trader and not only beginners. In order for you to activate it, you will need literally 10 minutes of your time. If you have any questions, then be sure to write to the support account, where they will help you with activation and with questions about trading. And just think about it, more than 100 times I increased my deposit, and you can do it again literally today in a few hours. You'll need a booster bot, Telegram, and you'll even need your cell phone. This is where I'm going to say goodbye to you. I'll remind you that all the links you need will be in the description. And that's it, see you soon.